Jollibee Foods Corporation expanded at a record pace in 2025, reaching new highs in sales, store openings, and revenues. Yet beneath these bold numbers, a sharper reality emerges for investors. System-wide sales soared 16.6% to over 455 billion pesos, while revenues climbed 13%. More than 1,000 new stores opened, marking a record year for expansion. On the surface, Jollibee's ambition appears undiminished, both domestically and internationally. However, financial strength is not measured by headlines alone. Net income after tax rose just 1.9%, and income attributable to shareholders improved by 5.4%. Modest gains compared to operating profit growth. Rising financing costs and higher taxes reveal the growing price of expansion for shareholders. Segment contributions tell the deeper story. The Philippine business remains the financial backbone, generating 81% of operating income and more than all of the group's net income after tax. In contrast, the international segment, despite strong sales growth, reduced overall net income, delivering only 19% of operating income and a negative net income contribution. This lopsided performance matters. Foreign sales now account for over 43% of total sales, but overseas operating margin is just 3%, compared to over 9% for the Philippine business. Rapid expansion has heightened financial risk. Short-term debt and interest expenses surged, while key balance sheet ratios weakened. Most concerning, book value per share declined and debt ratios grew more stretched under the weight of ambitious acquisitions. Uneven results within global brands reinforce these concerns. Some shine, but brands like Smashburger and China operations continue to drag on performance, signaling persistent challenges. There are bright spots. International EBITDA grew nearly 20%, with select brands, especially in coffee and Southeast Asia, moving in the right direction. Jollibee also generated strong cash flow, proving it is not fundamentally impaired, but financially stretched by rapid growth. The verdict: Jollibee's Philippine core is still the dependable earnings engine, while its international business remains capital-intensive and yet to prove its worth at the bottom line. For now, investors must closely balance admiration for Jollibee's ambition with a clear-eyed understanding of the risks and rewards expansion brings.